Welcome to this exciting welding project that will unleash your creativity, craftsmanship. Today we are diving the art metalwork, where spark, fly, and imagination meet skill in this comprehensive guide. We will explore step-by-step process to create a stunning pieces using welding techniques for selecting the right materials to mastering welding menu. This project promises to elevate your skills while ignite your passion for metal fabrication. Get ready to embrace the size of practical of welding as we embark of this thrilling journey together. From selecting the allowing you to unleash your artistic potential and potential skills, whether you are scenes welder for noise enthusiasts. These tutorials will serve as comprehensive roadmaps providing valuable noise enthusiasts. These tutorials will serve as comprehensive roadmap providing valuable insight and tips to elevate your welding project to new height. Get ready to dive into the world where spark meets artistry and matter. Major sculpture that not only showcase the art of welding but also push the boundaries of imagination. So buckle up your welding helmet and join me on this thrilling journey of molten metal and boundless creativity. Before we begin to gather our materials, we need high quality steel rod, welding machine, protective gear including gloves and welding marks, measuring tools, and study workbench of the course maple supply of welding electrode with the workspace respiratory safety precautions in place in time to unless the artistic process. Our project together center around creativity, captivating abstract metal sculpture, the key of successful welding masterpieces. Line meticulous planning and precious with the clear vision in mind. We will start by sketching out the design, ensuring every curve and angle to truthfully map before we even strike to first chart. Now welcome to exciting part, bringing our design to life with the welding machines humming and carefully tacked to steel rod together, slowly forming and foundation of the sculpture. Each weld is calculated dense heat of moment, fusing the metal rods together seamlessly, layer by layer, crafting to steady work form to artistic expression. As our sculpture taken shape to develop into the finer details using different welding techniques and electrode types, add depth of texture to your creation from integrate fillet weld to the graceful waves of weed. Every weld tells story, adding character and dimension to our evolving masterpieces. Patience is key in welding as we near the final stage to our project. Attention to detail become paramount. We meticulous, grand, and polish while ensuring a smooth, flawless metal rolls into the striking work of that captivate the eyes. Our welding journey reached as we unveil the finished sculpture. Art is meant to skills, creativity, and dedication. Our creation stand tell tradition, beauty, and craftsmanship. It is just a welding structure. It is simple imagination turned into the reality. It is meant to endless possibilities that welding as art of offer. We are diving into the innovative welding and over that blend skills, precious and artistry. Our project focus on fabricating and staining metal clubs using advanced welding techniques and mix of material from conceptualization of execution. We will explore step-by-step instruction tips from selecting the right equipment, safety protocols, and artistic insight that will empower both beginners and seasoned welders alike. Get ready to spark your imagination and embark on a journey where metal meets mastery. Using precise welding skills, we will create a stunning metal sculpture, blending raw materials into captivating masterpieces. Throughout meticulous planning and expert execution, we will explore the fusion of various welding methods, showcasing how two techniques and creativity converge to form integrated design. Get ready to witness the memorizing amazing transformation of metal into the art of work, unveiling the step-by-step process behind the captivating welding endeavor. From intricate metal sculpture to practical yet stylish furniture design, we will develop into the process, uncovering expert tips and tricks to ensure your project not only looking exponential but stand as a testament to your passion for welding. Join us, embark on thrilling journey exploring the fusion of metal and imagination. Word guide to crafting cool and remarkable welding project. From intricate sculpture to functional pieces, we will unlock the secret creativity and inspiring world that emerge from the fusion. Seamlessly join us on this journey as we fuse together metal and imagination, showcasing the beauty and artistry behind the spark molten metal. Let dive into to discover the magic of welding unshaped. But before they ignite the welding together, let develop into the intersize of this project, the material laid out, tools ready, the protective gear code. Each helmet play a crucial role to symphony of welding. With calculated measurement and a steady hand, we will bring our vision of life, the size and spark of welding, memorizing remarkable where molten metal meets imagination. Stay tuned as we unleash the transformative power we develop, turning raw material into mastering. Our goal is a craft guiding principles for showcasing the step process of welding from selecting the right materials of the integrate welding pattern that will bring this table of life. Join us on this undoubtedly elevate by living space. So grab your welding gear, buckle up, and let's embark on this exciting welding endeavor together. Finally, we ready to ultimate gathering the fuse, polishing the pit emerged to testament craftsmanship, ready to illuminate gathering and infuse outdoor space with form and style. The welding and our examples, figure of skills. Thank you so much for watching this video.